Today, Tao the panda is cooking lunch. How hard can it be? Step 1, turn on the stove. Easy, right? Step 2, identify this mystery vegetable. Is it a root? A fruit? What? Step 3, chop like a chef, or at least try not to lose a paw. Step 4, uh-oh, everything's boiling. Should it be boiling? Step 5, smoke alarm activated. Panic level maximum. Final step, accept that noodles count as gourmet when cooked with love. Cooking isn't about perfection, it's about the adventure. Bon appetit! Tao's journey isn't over. Stay curious, stay kind.